many azalea plants were damaged this winter.
Oh, yeah.
Is there anything I can do to restore them, or do they need to be replaced? And this is Ruth. So you have any thoughts about that, John?
Well, I'm looking at the azaleas in my own yard and thinking, I'm going to wait about a month and then cut them back and hope that that encourages them.
I would agree with that. So, Miss Ruth,
Good.
patience. Patience.
Oh,
right?
no, I'm not good at that.
We have to be patient, though.
Yeah.
You know, with warmer weather, the soil is going to warm up, right? And the roots are going to be taking up a lot of moisture, a lot of nutrients. You might get that, you know, that foliage that we're looking for, those buds that we're looking for. But let's wait.
Yes.
Let's wait. So I'm telling people they can wait till at least, you know, first couple of weeks in May, you know, mid-May or something like that. We should know by then whether the plant material is going to make it or not. Yeah. Then if we do see it coming back from the roots, then you can prune back till you see green tissue, right? And I think you should be fine. But patience, Ms. Ruth, patience. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.